Molweni bahlali. Happy New Year. Welcome back. Andihamba ndedwa madod ndiphethe isixwanguba se-hip hop in celebration of the legend. But before that, I just want to welcome i-students zethu ze-media. And kudala ndibuza ke Flower ukubana yintoni lento singayo apha kweli Gauteng ta when I get time to explain ukubana no, it's about media and no refuge abantu bethu abasuke ngapha eMpuma Koloni yabo ne Cape Town, but it's not only about Xhosa people, even white people. So what is media? Media, it's an act of a third person between the two parties. Also nika clarity between those two parties, a clarity of communication yabo, which is news, publishing and entertainment yabo. And then zonke ezinye ke ziwela pha ngaphansi, which is music, filming, acting yabo, nezinye i-vast from sales, marketing, journalism yabo. Andifuni ke ndityatyadule ndibe kude. I just want to welcome you guys back and thank you so much for bananises abantu. We see numbers are growing there, and even the society yethu iyakhula literally. Even high school kids are becoming nice kwi programs zethu. We see you Cambridge High, we see you Queens, we see you Dale, we see you. Thank you so much for your support. Sizophinde sinibone campaign and I'm dedwa ke ndihamba nabanye abazoba zi-leaders zenu. These are my brothers yabo. Lamhlanje sidibane ngeGrootman yethu yabo. We grow up kumculo wabo, we grow up kwiGrootman. Udlale i-role enkulu yabo kwi-sound ye-Xhosa rap yabo. Andazi noba unayo information ngeGrootman, because I know you're one of those niggas yabo who's you don't play when it comes to your Xhosa pen yabo, even though you mix it up yabo. Growing up we used to, I mean, you know Dreamanskap, bro.
Everybody knows Dreamanskap.
Ne? Yeah. So we're here to celebrate Grootman. Uflash late. Niyosixolela elethu ubusy ne-meeting down there no Penuel. Thina soyiqhuba. Grootman, uGran.
Yes, the grand mfowethu man, compliments of the new season.
Yes.
Grand wena and the grand bafethu.
Secret.
How was your crossovers bafethu?
Bigger flat.
Bigger flat.
Flat.
Yeah man. Ngifuna nje uthathela ithuba ndisibulisele kwabalandeli ale podcast nabaphulaphuli bemdantsane FM and ngu-elethu kampengesi. Most of your I'm popular known as El Nino, and most of you all nindazi from Dreamanskap. Ndiyabulela guys for inviting me. It's an honor. Azisho bafethu.
Yeah. And before siqhube abantu bele bayazi i-champions funeke zaziwe. Yeah, but like I said to Rashid right now, ukubana, you know what, I feel like Josie is for Josie people, and then PTA is for PTA, and then Eastern Cape is for Eastern Capean people.
I don't want to lie. I beg to differ.
Ne?
I beg to differ in the sense that I think you need to place yourself. Yeah, well, Josie, it's all about isekile okuyo, you know. Definitely, if it's like Conscious Sundays, you know, as event in the Zenzayo, most definitely I'm from Cape Town. You know, I know Cape Town artists, yeah, well, and I know Xhosa artists as well. So most likely I'm gonna gravitate towards
your people,
because I do have access to them. We have understand, even though some people they were like, no man, this is not Conscious Sundays, it's Xhosa Sundays. But I always tell them, Guti, these are the people that I have access to. You know, but as ixesha leli ahamba, so that's why I would put on Amachita, KZN, Mpumalanga, because I was new back then when I started the whole movement, you know. So now at least there's guys from Soweto, there's guys from Val, there's guys from Mpumalanga, we have Fristana Lawe.
There's variety.
Yeah, there's variety when I'm for it.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. But also the usaphendula up.
Sure,
He said something about hype.
sure,
Yeah, bro. I saw D did release something last year.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you were working there behind also, and then you also did release because your stuff was too nice. Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Yeah. Now ni Mahrutman in release. Yeah, bro.
Yes, yes.
And I could weigh the hype through my eyesighting
Yeah.
from, but hey, man, no pondo no liaza grand. Yeah, bro. On this Xhosa rap. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna talk about Anati. I love Anati, bro, but it did a piano vibe. That thing is so fucking beautiful. But I feel like a traitor.
But the problem, like when like ngoku uthetha from a fan perspective.
Yeah.
You understand? And ke wena Flower, if I can tell you the truth, ismoko sefans zethu, they don't allow artists to stretch themselves
Yeah.
musically, you know. So hence my latest single Undinje, people they know me from that hardcore boom bap
Yeah.
vibe, but yona lena it's more melodic,
Yeah, more
know,
commercial.
vibe more. Is that it has that crossover appeal, you
Yeah,
understand
yeah.
that way?
Yeah.
Because andithanda ukwenza into endandiyenza ngo-2013 you know,
Oh, yeah,
like music has evolved, yabona la way.
Yeah.
And that's why yabona these new kids are taking over, because they fresh,
Yeah.
they think out of the box, and they always come, you know. Every time when I book these young kids, they come with their entourage, my brother.
Yeah.
Uthola ukuthi iphethe boma 25 and my performer i-entourage ida, and that thing xa idocumentwa, it looks good on the camera.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, because no one would pick it up ukuthi yeah ajonga sisengequantum eziyi-2 apha yafristana lawe.
yeah.
And ke ngoku what I like about those kids, they support one another mfethu, uyabona lawe. Noba umuntu uqale nge-cult following yakhe and a niche, yabo,
Yeah.
uye as time goes I break. So ukuphendula lo mbuzo wakho, sometimes as artists yilonto we cannot be stuck kwi-era ka 2016 ngo 2025, you understand lawe. Okanye wenziwe one and you expect it results as different.
Yeah.
Life ayifani ayihambi njalo, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ndiyakuva Goodman. As much as ndijampele lento, bekumele bana siqale ngecatalog yakho, bekumele bana siqale ngemvelaphi yakho, but andifuni sihambe ngalamngcelele, yabo. Also no Flower ulapha, yabo, because Flower is here because like I value his span, yabo, and I respect him, yabo, as a Xhosa rapper. And ningathi ndi-troubalist, yabo, but like abantu akwethu ba releaseile last year, bra, yabo.
Yeah.
But umsindo ndibonileyo ngowase Pitoli, even your A media sectors, yabo, even this podcast, they will say it, bro, out loud, bana, no, PTA and KZN has been running hip hop, yabo. That thing being again kamnandi because I saw, and I know about the right or the wrong, not that I vouch for my brothers or anything, but
Yeah.
I do listen, especially Kwelas. We see the boys all the time here, yeah, but brawam, I feel like
Yazi
and there's done away.
ndingakubethanga mlonyeni mfethu, yazi i-team ibalekile,
Yeah.
i-team uyabona lawe, i-team iyona nto wena mfethu uyafristana lawe, and you need yabona ngoku I don't think for one to blow up we really need to be signed by the majors.
label.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just need a funder, you know, you just need like a team and you just need capital. So I think when I'm fair to amachita indlela azipositione ngayo kwi-industry, hence your Smamanes, they came from nowhere.
Yeah.
Your Tony Diamonds, they came from
Yeah,
nowhere.
they're
Your
doing
King
that
Kids, your King
King
Kid,
Kid. Yeah.
they came from nowhere and they're doing them big things, you know. I was checking up with Smamane. Rick Ross is with Smamane. They were shooting a video in Cape Town.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then that's huge for South African hip hop.
Yeah.
You know? So I feel ukuthi right now when Mbu,
Yeah.
it really proves ukuthi thina bantu who paved the way izibhani zethu khange sivaye nje na kanjani na, you know?
Yes.
Without platforms like iHype magazine or Back to the City and nezinye movements like From Your Mind Your Heads and your Black Sundays, your Splash Jam.
Yeah.
You know, they really played like a huge role in paving the way for the young kids. Yeah, well, it's like the way we struggle. Amachita avaya amanye aya exile, amanye ayabanjwa Robben Island, amanye ahengwa, amanye zange balibone ilizwe namasinobusi like uMoses.
Yeah.
Abanye bayitaste kancinci basweleka, but abantwana babo igeneration yeah yiyo eriphayo i-awards yiyo i-rewards yabo rather so mna I think ukuthi I'm proud of what these new guys on the block started doing and where are they taking a hip hop to, you understand that way. And ke ngoku mind you ukuthi through the influence yamapiano
Yeah.
that we have, you know, around the world, because I think amapiano is the next export esake sabana South Africa after Nelson Mandela. We understand that way in terms of popularity, understand that way. And if you think about it, the world ijonge Africa, and xa ijonge Africa, country yokuqala izoba South Africa, because we are the gateway of Africa, of African music, you know. So, and even like in political global stage, it's no way to go. You know, even when it comes to Olympics, you saw ukuthi like in South Africa, it's
Abantu abakhona.
yeah.
Yeah.
So even now when these guys, because there's nothing in the States, besimbonile Pastor Rhymes was here. Zonke zizawuza zonke nangu Tyler,
They found us.
Black Coffee,
Yeah.
Trevor Noah, yabo. So yeah, dog man, I think mna I think golhlobo wona ibona ngalo andibone ngalo, but it's just usplace P.
P.
Yeah, kanjani. You know, like you just said, Flower, he has a track with Jay Jody, you know.
Yeah.
Jay Jody wapi?
Was a PTA.
PDA, you see.
Yeah.
So how did you link up with him?
Here, bro. So,
okay.
yeah.
You see?
Shout out to M Studios.
Yeah, shout out to M Studios, bro.
Yeah.
But iponti yam khotman ndiyakulento bra. The way amajita, like I'm talking about other tribes in the industry.
Sure.
As much as I've been around here and
Sure.
as much as I've done my thing ngendlela yam, because I'm still growing, like so nontanga uyakhula nawe bro uyakhula.
Sure.
Yabo, as much as iba ngathi incwadi uyayiphinda uyiqala, yabo.
Sure.
So ipoint yam ukubana ever since man daba lapha we always vocal about majita siyabambanana thina as singabaXhosa, yabo.
Yeah.
Is that thing real? Into yokubana sinaye lembumba yokubana is it that simpler for me to call untanga to jump on a song ngothando, yabo?
Yeah.
Or si move up because uzibani une hype, or si move up iponda mi lento yokubana sibambene nathina, yabo. And like I said bro, like I vouch for what I understand. It doesn't give me more sanity than my own language, yabo.
Alright.
As much as I do hear and listen ezinye sound, yabo,
Yeah,
and arrogant, yabo, but umsebenzi we rap last year was on another level, yabo.
Yeah.
And I saw your span, bro. Your span is beautiful. And before singing
Shout out.
surprise yakhe,
Yeah.
yabo, ndifuna usichazele banzi ngendlela omanyuva ngayo. But before you do that, you can touch bases through archive yeXhosa rap yakho. What moved you to do whatever that you're doing and connecting with the history, yabo.
Basically, bro, to be honest with you, What inspired me to do what I do is because I am what I do.
Yeah.
Cause, yabo.
Yeah.
So ke ngoku, it's useless uba mandithethe ngesilungu. Yeah, it's not really useless. It works for some people, right?
Yeah, it works. Yeah.
But mna look, aba bantu ndithetha nabo ndifuna bandive, yabo.
yeah.
For mna ukwazi undiva mandithethe ngale ndlela like uthetha ngayo nawe.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Yeah,
True.
which is basically what inspired me.
Yes.
And where I'm from, yabo.
Yeah.
Le nto ndiyithethayo ndiyithethela abantu apha ndisuka khona.
Yeah. Yeah.
The way I move, bro, is, bro, I just work with everyone that's like willing to work. There is no, I don't have a tribe or,
Yeah.
because mostly even in my features, as much as ndiyakwazi usebenza noyihlo,
Yeah. Yeah.
yabo, not a legend,
Yeah.
but the like you said, there's a unity, like, bro, like in other, let's say the other guys, like the Quellas, yabo.
Yeah.
They don't have the, what you call, you are Xhosa, you are Zulu, or what. They just work, yabo.
Yeah.
And if we're motioning, we motion together, which is basically moving,
Yeah.
yabo. So that's what I work with. I work with whatever moves me from point A to point B.
Oh yes.
I do not care if you Venda, Xhosa,
Yeah.
Tswana,
That's
Pedi,
That's
as
dope.
long as if we're making great music
Yeah.
and we're having fun while we make that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
yeah.
that's basically my perspective. Is like, let's have fun
Yeah.
making music, because music is art.
It's art. Yeah.
Yeah, well.
True, bro. And ithandela nto ibithetha nangoHlotman ingathi iyafana nale bithethayo. I-point yami iya kulaa nto yembumba
Yeah.
bantakwethu ne. And then at the very same time sonke size singozimele geqe apha.
Yeah.
Yabo, but lento imuva kakuhle to me when, like I said, bro, it doesn't really give me more sanity when I say
Yeah.
it in my own tongue. Yeah, bro. I remember when I had time to chill with Rotman back in the days.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I don't want to mention names. Yeah,
Yeah.
but they were different tribes or different cultures.
Yeah.
But the beauty about Johannesburg,
Yeah.
it cuts differences abantu, and then it
Yeah.
match people together so that you can share this. What binds you is this one goal that you
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
you
yeah.
want to make it. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So, but what I've picked out because of le ndawo ndisuka kuyo, yabo, isidoda mina sinifundise ngoThoba, yabo, but enye tribe izobona bana hey umuntu othuleyo. He even said it, bro, but hey, silent is the best killer.
Yeah.
Yabo. And then mhla kwaze kaqhuma into, what hey man, I was expecting it because I didn't trust you, you were snake and you Xhosa.
Yeah.
Yabo. And so ipoint yam ama-Grootman ethu they really overseeing us, or we're just moving because Joburg is moving us or is swaying us with directions abo. Yabo. The reality is, bro, these older celebrities,
Yeah.
they will do this tag. I think I said it. Susia was there.
Yeah.
They will do this tag alongs because they wanna bafuna
Relevance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bafuna relevance.
And it comes back to that point. I just wanted to rubber stamp that point, Uguti. It depends on how you place and you position yourself, you know,
Yeah.
and how you keep your brand relevant. And they don't have a choice. They need to work with these kids, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how I feel, Uguti. You see, people like Abo-KO,
Yeah.
you know, they've managed to sustain their careers just by features.
Yeah.
You know, and they opening up. You know, they're not on some you know, because you don't know in the next 6 months ukuthi la light le bicele feature on your DM
Izophelelaphi.
izobiphi yabona la.
Yeah.
So kule way uthethayo and I think funeka esidlulele this tribe thing, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
So kudala sidwela kuyo noba ungaba likhaladi noba ungaba lishangana noba ungaba lishona we sizalwa from different backgrounds, you know. We have different personalities, yabona la way,
Facts.
and we've absorbed khuleni different values and principles. So basically into I call we tribe into
Isemdweni.
basically,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So yeah, it's just the way I see things.
Yeah.
And iJoburg ndiyithanda ngewe yoba it's I'm from Cape Town Amajita.
Yeah.
Where like racism it's in your face. Siyayazi ba okay. Qala mhlambi ingamla, mhlambi uziphulu, then kuzindiya, then kuzikhaladi, then kuza abantu bangapha kwecingo, then kuze ke ngoku locals.
Yeah.
We on the bottom of food chain thina yabo. Hence xa ulapha eJoburg I always tell people but Cape Town I think is better than Joburg. Did you know Cape Town is expensive? Cape Town you need to have money. Cape Town it's so beautiful on the outlook. But ngena ngaphakathi ye Khayelitsha, ye Gugulethu, ye Nyanga, ye Delft, ye Manningberg, ye Grassy Park, you'll see flames. But if usa Constantia, Camps Bay, Observatory Mowbray, Hout Bay, that's a different story. Uyabona lawe. So I gap here classism there, like dog. Or it's visible, you understand? Gandila Josie, you get millionaires from Soweto, dog, you know?
Yeah.
You get like proper establishments, from your clubs to your restaurants. Emakasana.
Yeah.
You know? And something you will hardly find in Cape Town.
Basically here you have a chance even if you are from
Anywhere
Anywhere.
in the world. That's why I call it like Black Man's Paradise.
Yeah.
You know? Because ungalala apho ungena nix.
But
Ungena
once-
call okanye email. Ivuke nje. Uyabo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Singayitsalanga ta sizawucela ke ngoku silande pha kuNtsusa, yabo. As much as we know that, yabo, but for umphulaphuli, yabo.
Yeah.
Silande kuNtsusa ye Xhosa rap. I think me and my boy here, we here to learn as a
Yeah.
Xhosa writer, and I also fuse other languages.
Yeah.
Because alternative music is still hip hop.
All right.
Yabo. So Intsusa yale Xhosa rap, but uyiqale ke ngoku uzoyidibanisa nehistory ye Dre, because you will never cut
Alright.
Dre, yabo. As much as we here to celebrate you, bro, your uthi ukuqiqa kwakho, you will never cut it from ingcambu negazi lakho. Ingcambu, you will never leave it
No,
ngemva.
that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
yabo, uqiqa imvelo ihamba nengcambu, so we will never despise ingqalo or bathi intoni
Alo.
isiqalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, or bathi intoni lento le landi khathe emntwaneni.
Umbilical cord. but,
Yes.
oh,
Yeah.
thendo nesixhosa sibalekile. Inkaba.
Inkaba.
Yeah,
Yabo.
inkaba.
So we rephrase it Dre as Inkaba. Yeah,
Sure.
and we know the story. You are a founder of that, and you're vocal about that vibe. We're not cutting the other bros.
Yeah.
But we respect the bros. Yeah, but because these are the people that we look up to.
Ah, no.
Yeah, but and we looked up at who was your favorite Dre?
Yeah.
Who was your favorite Dre, bro? Don't buy faces just because it's wrote by the lap.
To be honest with you, like Akhrman, they were dope, right? But
You can
This
mention
is-
any.
this is very embarrassing. But
No,
it's the new
like-
age. It's the new
I
age.
see.
It's hip
I
hop.
used to listen to Ngigiliji kakhulu.
Oh.
Do you know Ngigiliji?
Ngikutsho ngoba kanini?
I'm a cool.
Khayelitsha 300
Yeah.
years. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I
Yeah.
was.
But there's nothing RIP to
RP,
mention.
RP, yeah.
Yeah. No, basically lo mbuzo wakho mfethu. Ispaza we call it Ispaza.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, Ispaza because mawuthi vernacular,
Yeah.
it has to be strictly Xhosa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no slang, no English words, no Afrikaans, strictly Xhosa, you know.
Yeah.
And then Ispaza, you mix slang, you mix, and then you know now Ispaza shop most it's very
Yeah.
informal, you know. Mawuyange credit tab ubhalo etolweni, you know,
Yeah.
and yeah. So me growing up, man, it was never documented because abanye bathi siqale eGooks, abanye bathi siqale kwaLanga, abanye bathi siqale eKhayelitsha. But when I did a little bit of research, you know, from the OGs, you know,
Yeah.
who were rapping back then, they told me ukuthi Ispaza siqale when Amajita rapping in English, you know.
Yeah.
They will infuse mhlambe amagama lawo esiXhosa, mhlambe ibhayi ethile, uyabona lawe,
Yeah.
and then bafake ngesixhosa. Then it used to be called Ispaza rhyme.
Yeah.
before ibe sispaza. And then there were crews zakudala because DAT is one of, I don't know if you know that
Yeah.
DAT,
Yeah.
but DAT is one of the OGs, you know. Started rapping in Xhosa, you know, but yena bebiza ntoni iRengans, you know, which is, it was based Xhosa but Tsotsi.
Oh yeah.
And then he was one of the people, the pioneers back then, who were strictly rapping. And then you get like abo Coriander from Fit 4 uthi ba rapper English, then they will mix, uyabona la way, abo Foreman Choose from Khayelitsha, Snambuzane, yeah, so Snambuzane ke, it was the first artist, you know, sketch abasimisayo ispaza bayisisenza ispaza. And then ke ngoku after that era, 3 Months Gap came through. Pizzo came
Love
through. We say Lampita Kleiner, Backyard. Who else? Unique.
China.
Skimmer ne Unique. How's we China? No, China. It's puff. I would say is the tetam nange era ya yabo 2021, 2022 yabo. Before we back with phone. Yabo before umculo circulating a phone. Upper was kwaku rapper city. We have to stand on that way. So yeah, and then ispaza back then it was not developed because indaba ze freestyle besingazazi thina, we were just rapping.
Yeah.
So we never encompass hip hop as a whole. Ukuthi hip hop, it's a culture and the 4 elements, which is b-boy, graffiti, DJing, and MCing. You know, thina bese rapper, because I will tell you. We didn't have access to amakhutman amatalebe in this spaza before us, yeah, like in your early 90s, your late 80s, early 90s, you know. So people like Abo Zola, when that hip kwaito wave, there was that hip kwaito wave whereby now it's kwaito, but ibraz ziyarhyma, ziyarapper, and zithetha concepts, you know. It felt like it's hip hop because and then ke ngoku, when there was this other song, man, that really influenced me. I don't know if you knew it in New Testament. Sibanengoma no Oscar, mama wami wena wangikhulisa ngokungaka yonke leminyaka ngakhula ngaba yindoda ngangaka njengenkoshusaka wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi indlala ibango laka way back then. Bane Oscar banengoma no Oscar Oskido, mama wami. So those guys, they influenced us. And then there was an era now whereby, because it shows a Cape Town besenzeka uptown.
Yeah.
You know, hip hop was a town, yeah, boy. So, and these English cats, you know, baby, I'm a gatekeepers, you know. I know you're trying to get a slot, nigga. I know this Kwaito guys. So we had to learn how to freestyle. We had to be technical when it comes to our writing. You know, like your similes, your metaphors, your word plays. So like it was not that you know engahamba kwakubanda kamulanda no, you know. So now iCats ziyaqala ngokuzadlala ngamagama, you know. You know, so like uyakwazi ba I'm like uGonondo Mbongolo, cause I'm great no stum bethi mbokotho ngomboko with the tape zomculo qinisa ifokotho ngenhloko like rape komvulo shaya amadololo hololo njengo babes woduma, you know. So uyabona ukuthi there's technicality, you know, like akhola we bangathi yasiyabala ngoko even ndiyayazi the next rhyme yakho. Then it evolved. I remember this other time when I met Ifani, Sisi Sports Complex, Ready D was auditioning. So they were moving from Kasi to Kasi, Varsity to Varsity. So I met these boys. There's your rapper. I say UCT. So I'm like, okay, go bana babande Kasin Lam corner, you know. And that gelaa xesha ke we were on hit like ciphers,
Yeah.
battles yonke la way.
Beniko.
Yeah, I battle all those niggas.
Damn.
And actually, I'm the one who told Ifane to rap ngesixhosa. It's on record with podcast.
Bro.
Yeah.
On record. On record. So there we auditioned, we performed, killed the spot. And then probably 2-3 months later, got a call from Ready D. Guys, you're going to be opening up for Dead Press. I remember when Duke Singanga was still coming up.
Yeah.
Via Nabo Lika Sumba from in a hip hop show YFM, but I think Sebenzile in the Hype magazine as a writer there. And then from there, dog, it's just the spirit Savaya, Sakupuka, go shows, and then Hype magazine came through. And then that's when you go like, oh, okay, it's not just us, because I didn't know about guys from the EC is a rapang languages have, or cats from KZN, you have cats from Pretoria, you know. But thanks to back to the city, because that's when I met Abu Zakwe, Abu Abdusi, Abu Mhlati, like I'm a chita paya, be rapang evenek, you know.
Yeah,
but that I never knew. But yeah, to fast forward, Espaza Savaya, Amachita, they appearing on TV, Shama Chingils, and then the breakthrough, it's when we did some few exchanges, taking Espaza to the world. You know, I first went to France. I've been to France 5 times, just in Espaza, been to Sweden, been to Denmark, been to Reunion Island, been to Switzerland, I've been to Kenya, I've been to Zambia, I've been to Zimbabwe, Spaza, and abantu bayas appreciate, you know.
Yeah.
And now currently Ispaza, I like the turn. There's a lot of females coming up.
Yeah.
And they measuring it. D, sure. Yeah, it's commercially D.
Yeah.
But smash Mateza.
Yeah.
And who's that lady? Who's that lady, man? Ghost Nofeng. It's up to Ghost Nofeng. I forgot her name. But there's a lot. There's a lot. I've been checking on TikTok.
Lesh. Yeah, she's nice too, bro. Lesh
Yankee.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
that's my girl. I'm fair too. I think right now, Bravo is doing them things, man.
Yeah.
You know, so I think right now it's an open ground.
Yeah.
For anyone. And thanks also to social media. You understand that way?
Yes, sir.
Because we don't need what you call this, kanen? Bizwa ntoni man khona English depleted ngoko. Mainstream media.
Yeah.
Mainstream media. So now everyone, it's on their phones. No one is watching TV or rather listening to the radio.
Yeah.
Everyone is on their phone.
Yeah.
So and now people are getting endorsement deals and who never knew that.
Living
And
nice.
ufumani endorsement ungakaziwa.
Most
That's
definitely.
that's the weird thing. Yeah, but which is it's nice time. Yeah, but it's
That's
nice
why
time.
it's an open ground.
Yeah.
It's an open canvas. Yabona Tina as buzazi ba ngasudlalwe ngametro. Even if udlalwe, because Ulaki used to have a hip hop show.
Yeah.
Like I think every Friday nights, Mhlobo Wenene, whereby he will just call in a machita.
Yeah.
You rap on the phone and you submit your stuff and you'll interviews, my interviews. That was the biggest thing.
Yeah.
For me, shout out to Lucky as the custodian,
Yeah.
of not just rap. He loves rap, but music. So I think just South African music
Yeah.
industry as a whole, it's doing good.
Yeah,
We have more opportunities than before.
Yeah, ndiyathanda nje
facts.
umbizile nje uBralakis because I knew about Ispaza because qala izinto bendiziva estratweni yabo
Sure.
osimbone especially you Bruce from Cape Town.
Sure.
Amajita say Eastern Cape will bump niggas from
Cape
CP
Town.
even
Sure.
though we have niggas
Yeah.
qala lethu yabo but Ulakis guye who put me on this Spaza wave
Yeah.
yabo yeah shout out to Grootman.
Yeah.
But now a question I'm getting Grootman, do you still consider these Xhosa rappers like the new age one
Sure.
usabatata as spaza rappers or girls
Yeah. It's music evolves, my brother.
yeah
You know, during that time, it was more like boom bap, boom bap, boom bap, boom bap, and then when boom bap, but boom bap will never die out. You know,
yeah
Yeah.
maybe it's just like people they will just pay attention to something else that is popular
More
at that
violent, yeah.
particular time. So and then it moved for people like sampling like your Maskandi songs, your old songs. You remember there was that era,
Yeah.
you know, like everyone is trying to sample your Mamuleta Mbulis, your Mamire Makebas,
Josie time
your Josie,
Yeah.
Josie spearheaded,
Hold on.
yeah, that sound, and then now it's trap, and everyone is trapping, and it's okay, it's nice, and you know what I like now, it's the fact that it's not even about the beat.
Yeah.
Because there are people who can well execute trap beats, you know, and it will sound like someone who's rapping on top of on the boom bap beats.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So for me, it's like Spaza evolution. You understand?
Yeah.
And way, siphila kula maxesha mfethu, so we cannot run away from that fact. Yeah, I still consider them as Spaza guys, because there was this thing qala kutheni majita nonke nina nespaza nithanda urapha ngensokolo, you know, and shit. So and ke ngoku I don't want to lie, we come from a conscious era,
Yeah.
you know, whereby there was politics, ama-social ills, zonke mani way besenzeka ezikasi besisastressa through music. But now I'm not saying ukuthi azisekho ezo zinto, but ke amajita they want to break into the industry, you know. Now they have to compete, you know, and yabona ngoku kuphula amabhodlela kuyajiva, yazibona i-concept, you know.
Yeah.
And for ama-2000 ama-2K like it's cool. Ilabe ke ithatha uRashid ukuthi age sometimes yesibethayo, uyavustana lawe
Yeah.
ukuba someone anga retweet iwake a flower
Yeah.
because ulapha yavustana usafika emidlalweni yavustana lawe,
Yes, sir.
but akazi retweet yami yabo.
yeah
So yeah, to answer your question, yeah, most definitely.
yeah ndiyakuva uyavumelana noRashid but mina andivumelani ncam naye because also I don't believe into ye genres ba kule minyaka do exist because these kids andiyazi man bayidefine njani cool yabo. These kids bro, they spend time with phone yabo looking for something fresh than hype. Andanobuya ndiva na yabo umntana uyakwazi umamela uSmino
Yeah.
yabo ngoku Drake yabo.
Oh yeah. Nah, yeah.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
Do you get me? Ngamanye amazwi lanto ubuthetha Grootman ndiyavumelana ngayo
Sure.
yabo ukubana ngoku kula maxesha anything can happen, anyone can retweet.
Sure.
Ubuda Rashid ebesithi phayana aging. I don't think into ene age inento nokwenza yabo. A kid can pick up that Lilo Qilo Pinglos. You know how many times I play that song. Now when every time idlala ngoma, nobody ndayidlala kokuqala. No, but the following week umntana omncinci is singing along like umncinci una 5. yabo. So ngamanye amazwi there's no limitation, and akhonto ngamanye amazwi there's no limitation Grootman, yabo. Even nale journey yakho intsha, and andifuni uthi uzoyithatha uyibeke just because I've made this didlalile le ndima, yabo. Now the new cats must just carry. I mean, it's an ongoing thing to me, yabo. So the question yami get up benifuna uchaza nje lonto.
Okay.
Anivumelani nento ka Grootman.
No.
Then you
You're allowed, my brother.
Music doesn't really have. Yeah, it's flesh around.
Yeah, you were still saying?
Yeah.
And I know, yeah. These kids can listen, bro, and there's no limitation.
Yeah.
Even there's so much freedom into creating new ideas.
Yeah.
Sure.
For example, the internet, podcast, anyone can say shit now.
Kuyaphileka bakhulu.
Asamba kakude ta utabe sasibalisela ngespace basesukaphi.
Okay mkhulu.
Asikayi personal phakuye.
Hayi ke man sanibaza indlebe nami.
Yeah, asikayi personal, yabo. Yeah, Flower Flash ngiyazana Buddhas. Yabo.
Ngosi mina
ukuthi. Hayi ke ngiyazana nani Grootman. So Grootman ipoint yami ndithi there's no limitation, yabo, and you can do whatever you wanna do. And I said this to kids this other time, but you know what, I value each and every number that view to Facebook or Instagram or anywhere or any platform, because at least ujongile, yabo. And again you can't control numbers, because in numbers they duplicate or ziyongezeleleka the more you post.
Sure.
Ngamanye amazwi you can do whatever without a middleman, but at the end of the day we still need these middlemen. Yabo. I had Universal bought a portion of Spotify. Now abantu abaku indie, they're still gonna be in trouble, because it's still gonna be your celebrities running there or getting favors. Yabo. It's a recent thing. Yabo. So ngamanye amazwi Grootman, there's no control. Yabo.
Yeah, like I said, like I said to you, like in the point, right now it's an open floor.
Yeah.
Yabona with TikTok, I just believe even nezo majors or as of funders or as of mainstream media, they will be forced to catch on, because it's on the streets. Yabona lawe. And streets is namandla.
Yeah, for
more
sure.
than umntu lo ubhatalelwe ipayola.
Yeah.
If streets is ziyakufuna and ke ngoku people shall govern, you like or you don't, when I'm a brother. Yabona lawe.
Facts.
Yeah. Flower dingakuvalela ngamva mfowethu.
Yeah.
I know most of the time you're always behind
Yeah.
the new kids. Yeah, but I've seen you've worked with D. Yeah, but it's not about him, it's about you also.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so when as umuntu ke ngoku aye ejonge ngaphandle, like, I'm not cutting yourself out.
Yeah.
I consider yourself as the new kid, even though no Flash.
Yeah.
There's a generation after all Flash also.
Sure,
Yeah, but
sure.
I don't know about Flash say to buy Grootman.
Mkhulu. Sendinabo abani nabo.
So I consider Uflower as one of those sponsor grand Buddhas.
Yeah.
But now as a new kid, I'll call you a kid, bro, because you are a kid.
Crazy.
Yeah, as a new
Aqhathwa zinjebe.
yes, ngaqhathwa zinjebe ta. Ngicela ubuza ke ta, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've listened to that Joe.
Yeah.
I've listened to that sound, bro. It's pretty much nice, even production, everything. Yeah, bro.
Yes, sir.
You're nice, and stuff that you dropped before. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
It's too nice.
Yes,
also.
sir.
Now, ndifuna ubuza ta nina discipline.
Discipline njani?
Yeah, like do you guys take time and reflect or mirror yourself through I'm a Grootman? Have you ever considered yourself? I'm not going back into a tribalism ta. Ndizamubona impact yabo.
Yeah.
Ne influence
Mhm.
yethu
Yeah.
thina abantu begazi onenyama.
Yeah.
Do you have any someone that you look up to? Yeah, but I hate even this word look up. Or do you have into ozikela ngayo bana yo he's doing nice thing, bro. Like when you wake up, yo ndiyamjonga lo muntu lo all the time. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Do you have lo muntu unjalo, or do you have a certain library where you go back and ulungise amakrotmana yesenza nje manilungise lento? I don't want to repeat the same thing amakrotmana even nalo case ngasebenza. Do you have such? Yeah.
It depends on ngomntu lo le. I wouldn't say I speak for like the other guys or whatever.
Yeah.
It depends on ngomntu, yabo. But yeah, now they have to have like a point of reference that banjani.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have that.
Oh yeah.
But say wanyathela su. Intoni yenza mhlambi musically. Yenza ba say angafiki kule level bekufamba ukuyo.
Yeah.
Oh, wafika but
zangu ibona.
Yeah. Yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have people like that.
Okay.
Yeah, nabana funeka jonge emva ba say ubani onyathele kanjani. That's why like there's people before you.
Yes.
That's why there's blueprints.
Yeah.
Ubone ba say le blueprint ihambe kanje. But why did it not reach to that level?
Yeah.
Everyone has that. I believe that everyone should have that.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So that you know that it's basically like a Sahara. Ufuna uyazi busuka pho uzoyazi buyaphi.
Yeah. What had happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So xa nisithi uyazi usuka phi ufuna ukubazi nabantu abapha ba say kutheni bangafika ngamhlanje kule level wena ucinga ba bekufana ba ukuyo lo muntu. Yeah.
And
so that's basically it, bro.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah.
Lenda ithethayo Buddha. Yeah, bro. To continue with your story, because usichazele ngembali yespaza. Yeah. As a fan, yeah, Dreamers Cup. Yeah, bro. Building up to Igrotman El Nino. Yeah, bro. Tifuna ukwazi mina. I think a lot of people want to know, bro. Like that connection, yeah, but isekhona kuma Grotman. Yeah, bro. As much as you will stand for you, but we still see the other bros, even the other bros, as much as they will stand three, but there's still a missing print. Yeah, but I vagali ngam. Yeah, but so lambali, or is it the same passion, or is it the same vision?
Ndingaqhalanga mkhulu wami.
Okay, yeah.
Bendicela ukona ba umbuzo woba iDreamers Cup yadibana njani bese nobuzile. Ndinomdla kakhulu kuloo nto.
Ngiyafuna ebesichazele ngespaza ne.
Benibawula ukwazi iDreamers Cup uqala kodwa phambi koba mhlambi sazi ba ngoku yabo abakhulu abame njani.
All right.
Yeah, what's that?
Basically le way iqale high school. So it was na mabi nenye outing ngayaziyo. Ayanda Dunjana.
Yeah.
So yeah, from the same class. So it started kancinci, I think somewhere in 99, 2000. But we were not formed.
Like azarwa
le.
So yeah, I think we're doing grade grade 9. Grade 9 is standard 7. Yeah. So yeah, we're in the same class, but like during every periods, or maybe lunch time, or isikolo xa sewuvalwa qetyiwe ubhalwa, there's nothing much happening eskela, you know. So we'll just go, you know, and then sometimes we will just emulate Tupac, nobody,
sure.
You know, and sometimes yazi nalengo mithini yazi ba ithi qhaxa ifikelele kulanda ungayi understand but evucho kuchava iphela uhambe, you know. And then and then ngoku I started like developing like skills sokubhala.
Okay.
Kodwa ngoku ndiyakwazi ucompose kodwa ngoku yabo kancane and then it is now 2000 still but we were not formed, you know.
Yeah,
Sasibiza
yeah.
J squad, J
Okay,
but
sure,
ba
yeah,
into
yeah.
engacacanga
Yeah.
yabona lawe. But ke and ke ngoku sasi movement, it was not just kwakuseko olunga lasibaninzi
Sure, sure,
seven
movement.
cha uyayazi kamajita nje siyazenjoya.
Yeah, bro.
Then 2001 there was a competition, so zathi classmates zethu, you know, bafethu niyayenza le way. How about you formalize the way? Yeah, and do something. And then spoke with Mapi, spoke with Ayan, because we were the one who were on the forefront.
Okay,
You
sure,
understand? And said, yeah, Savaya Sayopalisa, Mocha. Then I went home, so I had to. That time I used to write for the niggas. you know.
Sure.
So I remember Mapi, Pagosake, they used to have a bonala techniques is a pieces. They still do, even the proper one.
Yeah.
So I had this plastic mic.
Mm.
So every time Klomapi beyotenga CDs, whenever like whether ngotokolo or Mapi asithenga singles. Yazazi mos singles sazine instrumental, sibe ne radio edit, sibe ne a cappella, and then thina sasifuna eza beats because when you co-produce at the time, you know, sasingazi mntu and we were still new in the game. So I remember we performed one song, it was a beat ka Puga Loves Dum 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 dum. And then we went there, hey, sayivuthulula nami crowd. And ke ngoku besaziwa nasesikela kwaba uyabona.
Sure. Iclassini ngalokhu niyaziminca.
And ke ngoku nesidwadlo ke
Yabona.
iSKL yamomoza yabrstand.
Njoba
abanye beshaya igrate nasishaya ngecharcoal everstand. So even naba ke hayi
yabona bazahlukile ezibras.
SKL. Yeah, SKL. Starsoft Ncangatha. You know, if kusandi ke Kapa, if uvuthulula umoya hayi libala jo. Moshakele jo. So yeah, I'm fair to fast forward saya kwenye competition as well. Ayenzwa nguTakile uDJ Killer, khona enye elder Sugar, Ras Sugar, he was part and parcel, yeah. Ghetto Muffin, not Ghetto Muffin, yes. Why actor no actor class show it. There was a series back then, City Tetam Sawawa.
Okay.
So he called us over. What's in Nanzi competition as well. It was Miss and Mrs. Tambo during those days. Mr. and Mrs. Tambo.
Sure.
And then there's a competition as well. So we performed there. And then we won, yabo, and ke ngoku sponsor ngudance, so safumana ama prizes, yabo,
Okay.
and yeah, saba motivated.
Sure.
So and then we went to nawonke kwamachita ayaqala uyazibhalela ngoku
Ayakhuthala yabona biyaphambili.
so ke mina each and every show bengisiya ngoku yabo ngisiya one man. And then we got a call from Sugar Lo Ghetto Muffin. He was part and parcel abantu be curator. This other before we back to the city, no more rocking the daisies. There was fire on the mountain.
Okay.
But it was strictly hip hop, you know. So it's like a camp.
Yeah.
So we went there to audition for that as well. And then the main guy, the main, you know, behind the festival was so impressed to an extent. And we were the youngins. Yeah, well, crew, I perform. That's when I knew about freestyles, cyphers, the elements of hip hop. It was more of like a workshop for us, you know. Abantu who were not exposed to hip hop. Fast forward to Tugu, and then we matriculated 202, and then Ayanda yena wavaiside wabangu DJ was vuleli salon yakhe, so it was just me and Mapi. And then sapusha nomganamu Redondo, because he doesn't stay far from basically it's just mna ndihlala kwa 6, Mapi uhlala kwa 23, uhlala kwa 28.
Okay.
almost como Glomapi, and then Redondo Chigelikona,
Sure,
Naga
bro.
Redondo. Yeah, you see, but yeah, so it's cool song basically, and then deep kind of some later, Cape Tech, what, and then Redondo 203 now. Redondo is like because as man is Lala song Ibola and. Yabona yazi masincane khula ikhona eza shops nidibana kuzo yabo shops yabo so bengithanda freestyle like bengithanda freestyle like ngela xesha ke ngoku 203 yabo because now like I was really fascinated by hip hop now, you know. I felt ukuthi sorry bafethu so I felt ukuthi hey, this is the thing, you know, that was a life-changing moment for now, you know, because that changed abahlobo, that changed ndabanobo rasta, even quite dress code, that changed, and the song as a change, and then from there, Redondo was like, I interested, but because the Amazi and I used to love reggae dancehall, you know.
Okay.
So yeah, you know, and then like okay, sure. Then this other time we're just chilling, and he flipped the script. I'm like, okay, and then that we say, no, I'm just gonna assist you, yabo. So now my sister here and there, yabo, I'm sister here and there, and until he got used to it. And then this other time, but it was not 3 months Cup then.
Okay.
And then what happened is. We were just chilling, everyone now. There was TOP, there was Planet Earth. It was just hip hop movement as in cruise, yeah.
Sure.
But they used to come to our hood, yeah. So Redondo, so everyone, and the thing is, we used to, every time you have like a new script, like every day, like maybe every 2 days, you need to recite a script for Amagang, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so we used to compete with scripts. I wrote 3 scripts. So Redondo recited for us Vendetta. I don't know the track, that storytelling. Yeah, that horror movie. Yeah, and then it was like yo. So everyone was just highly impressed. And then that's when like Redondo, man, there's 2 of us, you know. And there's just one member missing. You have to stand on that way. How about you join the crew, you know?
Sure.
And then boom. He always being klupa landwana le. Yes. Ngihleli kamandi ithi jonga phethe nami script, you know. He's always been like curious, inquisitive, like individual, yabona energy, yabo. Every time a reciter, so boom. So we recorded Icho Indo, which is that was like our first recording, recording with digital analog. And then from there, hey, Redondo ya chamba na yenguka. Hey, and it's got a dope verse. I'm like, oh, okay. I must say, hands a little must see us by 3 ngogo. Record quick my daughter. And Redondo is pulling up the weight. And then we were at Planet Earth's, the producer, the one who produced Pume Cooks, I Will Make It, man, you know.
Hits.
Yeah. So we were there chilling, namachita, vibing, you know. It was our chilling spot, a planetarium. And then Pizza Zamatota. So Pizza Zamatota, you know the beat, because I remember Nancy Escala. Then I used to pass by Google Digital Analog, and then Planet Ed was there on the boards, and then he was playing this beat. I'm like, whose beat is this? It's like, I know, man, I just did this beat now. I'm like, hey,
Sap.
And then there was no like I didn't have like a smartphone then where I could load my music and stuff, you know. I had this Tilili Motorola silver ones, yeah. So Nyani before it was CPUT, it was Cape Tech. Then Cape Tech. Ngikeleza ra sengbuye ra ngibuye eli futhi ngibange because like I was like, yo, I can't really wait, man.
For no record.
To write. So I read the track, wrote this track, you know, like even though like it's more comical, there's some comedy in it, but ayisuka enhliziyweni yami, to be quite honest, you know.
Bro.
Yeah.
So like I'm reciting for Amachita, and I knew his scripts you know, by heart, because wangibhenela CD umjita yabo uplanet Earth, so ngafika edladleni kusekweza hi-fi ngafaka iCD ngabhala ekitchen ngabhala ngayipractice ngayirehearse. So ngoko Friday boom ekse thini into Dla was there, everyone was there actually.
Sure, bro.
Spiti verse yami khalwe whoa, you know,
Basel,
you know, baseleka ama chance Dla he said because then him flipper Dla, because Dla used to come at my house when he has a new script.
Sure, bro.
Yeah, so that azobuza nje azofuna nje opinion yami ukuthi, you know, you know, early actually ngabiyota.
Yeah.
So nyani ke Dla ayispeed eliwethu mandichaya isaqhuma lomntana wamdala ndamvuma ndaqhuma xa isithi ndamkelekile shukuma yo Yimani hey qale ngena size because I couldn't compromise. Yo and can you imagine there were checks, you know, hey, I'm like yo and then Dla boom ke ngokusiyo record pizza sa recorda no Dla. Then ke ngoku Dla every time we performed besoloko ke ngoku I take it along.
Okay, sure.
Take it along and then saphela si and then ke ngoku kwenzeka the incident where Redondo abanye bayayazi, but I wouldn't love to talk about it, you know, during his absence, you know. And then for some times there was two of us again. Redondo went away, and then from there it's by two. And now when we perform it, Peter Zamatota besikwazi perform so two no Dla, because Redondo has the last verse, so we'll cut the verse. So simane sisiya studio Dla yena ngoku use Cape Town College.
Okay.
Say Cape Tech. So in lunch time, simane sidibana, you know. So because it's just a walk away, yabo. So ke ngoku thina we had like a piazza whereby like as brands xa zokwenza promos azo, mhlambi your Red Bulls or whoever, your Coca-Cola, they will have a stage during the lunch time. Then kube khona ama performances, you know. So we used to go and hustle slot, and then it was always because I was with Dla most of the time because my PN why say Pentec Belleville campus. So Dla Tina Slapper, and then we're like no le way yenzeka Redondo akekho Dla ke ngoku became ke ngoku the member. Saqhuba, and then Redondo came back, and then the question was now, you know, ukuthi do we call ourselves 4 months gap or we corner one ozoqhezuka between the two? You know, and that thing it became undaba mlonyeni, you know, because now anyway family zethu ziyazana, like I said, and siyaziwa ekasi and ekasi silando zange yenzeka, you know, and from the lifestyle sasiphila siyasafika sajika 360 sabanga abanye abantu totally. So so yenzeka lewe, and noba ngoku pants back in the days aseka sinxiba like army gear yabo camouflage, but you couldn't take away ukuthi lamachita arapha ngelingo endivayo. So noba bebenazo ezazi ezazikwebhos
my niggas
akusimo states mbo. So from there like we said like bafethu we don't give a damn about anyone, but we are family now. We've covered this far, and I think now let's just continue where Redondo left off, and then man, sapusha.
Hayo bra libale lihle kakhulu yeah.
Let's fast forward before that separation again. Ngiyakhumbula nibukele ke but before live amp was live amp, it was live.
Yeah.
Yes bras man. Talent ziva radio, talent ziva
Sure,
nalapha estradweni. But before ndiye kule question, how did you guys manage to get your music to other provinces? I think you were pushing indie during that time.
Yeah. No, basically like with the likes of Hype Magazine, dog.
Yeah,
Well, back to the city, and if you still remember, during those days, just takes his disc live.
Yeah.
It's like this backpack.
Yeah.
Right now, if it was back then, probably ndiphethe 20. You know, ndithi ndihamba ndiwalker, ndiyayazi ba la 20. So but basically umculo wethu yazi ulikhe kanjani?
Sure bro.
Umculo wethu wena mfethu ulikhe ikhona enye ibra isithi ifuna usinceda when it comes to management.
Okay.
And is the only guy that I if my memory serves me right, that we gave him that 3-track CD, which is it was Icho Indo, Kwek Madoda, Pizza Zamadoda. Yeah. And man.
Yeah.
And man. Yeah, bo. Man was not part and parcel of like EPs as he trained. Kumula sa release almost and then ngoku when la track ndimane ndiva kwezi res. Ndiva kwezi res. But abantu babengakwazi ufaka ubuso.
Sure.
You know.
Yeah,
and ke ngoku even social media, I think that during those days it was MySpace, ne? Yeah, MySpace, about Reverb Nation, you know, Facebook engekabikho yabona lawe. So nyani then into yenzekayo, so I said bafethu as tracks zilikile, there's no way. And ziyarechwa ngabantu. The only way I remember icover yakhona because umapi unswembungu illustration.
Okay.
Yeah.
You understand? Yabo. So umapi wa illustrator la way wa illustrator, so we decided ukuthi let's do a joint a project with Ill Skills, Illiterate Skills. If you know Uno July, it's part of the Ill Skills, Jimmy Flax, even no Macho, Spume Cooks used to be part of Illiterate Skills. So sends the joint EP, Battle of Cooks, and and then ya Pusha, and then ngoku D Planet from Pioneer Unit. So because we used to attend all the shows in town, because like I said earlier on in Machiteno, with the hip hop back in the days in Cape Town, it was in town.
Sure.
You know, so yeah, D Planet was like, hey, he gave me some beats. Back then I'm like, okay, bafethu na lengamla lifuna uspana nathi bafethu, you know, but kan mamele napes beats my chance, you know. So mamela na machita, I was like, no, it's grand here. But like every time I bump into D Planet, we were like, yo, you know, what's up? What happened to those beats? Hey, Shaila, you know, Shasha was on the store. So yeah, but fast forward, and then he signed Ben Shaba.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I think now it's 2004.
Okay.
Signed Ben Shaba. Yeah, signed Ben Shaba, and yeah, we check level of professionalism yabo from your quality of the music, the videos, the artwork.
Sure, bro.
Yabona lawe. So like maybe bafethu it's someone that we can consider, yabo. Because at that time we were managed by Ulula Mamali, and then Sapusha, and then now we got to get bookings from Omo Miss Fresh Air, Omo Miss Cape Tech, Miss CPT, Miss WC. So now Magnama Poetry Session sesaziwe ukuthi size regulars, you know. And abantu bone bayaslangazelela, you know. And then from there, fast forward, he signed Retex. And then I was there, I witnessed yabona lawe bread and butter. Bemenza, you know, in the making. So I was like, okay, I know, nice beats. And now we are one band freedom. Oh no, before that, we did like Planetary Assault, whereby it was his beats, but he invited like different artists, hip-hop artists, yeah. So even there, like for a photo shoot was nice. Everything was nice, even in studio. Nice, man, you know? Like a way that you're not used to, you know? Kliwama snacks, wash down ilapha.
Hey, brother, sekasi.
Ilapha. KFC balapha. Back in the days, bafethu, to be quite honest, for you to get a studio time of fumanseka about E1, out, a producer, and E1 out in a computer.
Yeah.
So you need to be that good for wena ufumane okanye uzawulinda.
Sure.
Sifika kula out sihleli kokwayo silinde sonke. You know? So ndabona ma lo mjita mawufika studio uyayazi ba une slot sakho. You know, and wayihlala umjita uptown yabona. So from there Planetary Assault yabanga Retex. So was featuring Retex and sakopola ke ngoku. So nathi saya some approach umjita said okay, yeah, we want to consider la offer yakho yabo bayise khona. Wathi no, most definitely yabona nawe. So sasayina, and then uqaphukile inyongo. Yeah. So uqaphukile inyongo. At that time ndiyakhumbula then senxiba isuit netaya. Spana ke ngoku.
Okay, sure.
Spana. No return spana. Uyabo. Think udla sesigela saqhubezela isigela.
Last born.
Yabo. So mina ngathi ukusayina ngathi kuma B ngiyakhwitha. Because into sayenzayo saba smart enough. Singamajito oqala thina like to save imali, sithenga istudio like proper studio.
Sure.
Uyabona kla era yethu thina.
Okay.
So save imali and ke ngobe sisipana singena responsibilities.
Yeah, bro.
And in the gigs left, right and center usahleli nje kuthiwa nansi gig ngapha nansi gig ngapha nansi gig ngapha. So nyane we bought a studio. So silalisa kwa Planet Earth. Sahlala kwa Planet Earth studio, but tuku Planet Earth we got like a bigger studio. And then it was like I know Nino tata yes man. And sipana ngisi. So mathatha esi ke ngoku ngasaba and then ke ngoku so ngabe ngidlala around nama softwares because bengimbona mos benthanda uhlala naye most of the time. So benibukela yabona nawe. So ngadlala around. I remember ingoma yokuqala uyiproducer engibambelela. Bambelela nobindleli yanyukela. So ila ngoma. And then I was so inspired and I decided ngokuba hey man ndiyeke span. Xalela umabhima athi yeke span. Return to yeke span.
Braz.
Hayi ngokwasa.
Ndibonayo ubuyile influence.
Inkokheli.
Ubuyile influence but
from there it was bekusha demo waya.
Bra ngubani no producer icamako bra.
Demo mfowethu.
Liqalano ngakubamba.
Hayi, shout out.
No, 60% of the production ngaqaphukile inyongo ndemfethu like self-taught mfethu. So ngabona ukuthi hey sometimes if ngizoma ngo Planet Earth because Planet Earth that time he was in demand.
Sure.
and everyone wants to mess up with his beats. So I was like, "Eish, no man, I can do this by myself, you know." So
Yes,
I learned
sir.
how to record, I learned how to produce beats, but I will come to him and then DT,
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
you know, and then yeah, man, wenza ke qabukile inyongo mfethu.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Masterpiece.
yeah, a masterpiece.
Yeah.
I'll press no skip.
Iyazihlela.
Yeah.
Sweet home, izulu lelam. Yeah.
Is streets. You know, speaking of which, when a king, ndikhe ngahlala because andithanda uzimamela yazi for some reason. So ngikhe ngahlala ngicleaner. Ngakhe ngazibuyisela back.
Sure, Fat man.
Ngazibuyisela back ngamdlala wonke. I'm like yo.
Masterpiece.
Yeah,
Fat
man,
man.
I haven't played Qabukile Inyongo in years. You know. Yeah, so yeah, man.
Yeah.
I know Fat man balakho yo. Liyandikhuthaza kakhulu because nandinibukela kude ngela xesha bungoxa ndiliva phambi kwami ngelihlobo
Yeah.
yandikhuthaza nangakumbi lo way and ke ngoku khona way bendihlala ndizibuza yona ndiye ndacacelwa yiyo nje bucaciso ba why iDreamers Cup kwispaza iye yashine kangaka yona yabo lewe ibalisayo ke ngokuba nenekopolo etown namangamla yabona fumana nestudio benispana yenzi inenza ndi
Sense.
yeah yenza sense lawe
And kudala baba indie
yeah
throughout. Yeah, but even though there was a deal on plate,
sure
but they continued.
Yeah,
Because
perhaps
when it-
balekela.
But I couldn't wait for Planet Hell. I needed to. Yeah, but so kukho la question ke ngokubana after that music video zange ndaphinda ndayibona iDreamers Cup on TV.
Baby video.
Le nokhanyisa.
Oh,
That was the only one I
Chemicals.
saw on
Wow.
Live Amp.
Yeah,
but-
no, it's if videos esidlale ku live amp kukhona esi story I remember this at the time ne sorry to jump ship ne ngifuna uqala kwesi this other time it was Saturday kudlala Summer Awards
oh yeah bro
so now kukho le category andiyazi ba yithini le category kuthiwe camagu kuvele thina tsentseng and ngalamini andiyanga ndawo ngiphumanga dog sendlini bayenze nge mistake instead of bafake ingoma kacamagu ikhona la out ucamagu ucamagu
yeah
so itrack iculo ngucamagu itrack ithi camagu bona khona la nto mosicabe introducer bazofaka iclip ye video yakho
Sure, bro.
so bafaka thina
yeah
yeah so basically ubuyela kuwe wena Mbuso iways ezadlala ku live amp not just ku live amp na ku channel O na ku MTV base but I think yona ingoma yafumana attention kusiphume Cooks yabo
Yeah.
and yona ngoma that we were the least expecting it to be popular
yeah
you understand like so yeah it was that I will make it nabo bamdlala
Vamna yo
Vamna
pushe
bayidlala.
kakhulu Vamna bro
bayidlala ivamna bayidlala ne
izulu lelam
no ratata
Yeah.
yeah
Noratata
nezulu
bamdlala.
lelam lidlale kakhulu
yeah
yo,
nezulu
lidlale kakhulu.
lam lidlale kakhulu na la way the collaborations that we did in Kwai the Swedish South African hip hop exchange khona la ngam
Oh yeah.
Batman
Oh yeah. So that
Batman.
white lady.
yes
there.
white ladies yeah
Yeah.
so yeah but basically mfethu I think we lost touch when we were traveling too much
Okay.
or kanti
yeah
you understand lawe so and ke ngoku akumiwanga ngawe you know
Yeah.
lawe and there's new cats coming through
Yeah.
yabo so
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
and nathi ke ngoku the record label that we were working with because into sasiyenzile hazange sign it was a project based
okay
deal.
sure yeah nifumana.
so which is each duration normally it's 12 months
yeah
but since kula 12 months zazikhona ezinye izinto esingazange sikwazi ukuzigqiba yabo within and gigs bezifika ke ngoku yabona la and bezifikela kubo and ufikela kubo bazobamba u20% wabo
Okay.
you know So we kept that relationship going, you understand?
Yeah,
So I think when uDiplanet naye ke ngoku decided to uba makabe i-DJ no longer now, he's more on now artist himself.
Yeah.
So that's when ke ngoku I think he lost touch being like a capable executive, you understand? So I think it's one of the things yeah.
Bra anyway enqonelo yazi noba ibangelwe yintoni ba ispaza like ningabi ne collabs ezingako kwispaza like Naked Minds, neDreamers Cup, neBackyard, neDreamers Cup.
You know, yes, I think we tried, but during those days, there was just beefs, like some childish shit going on. That's why even Tina, sasinginazo collabos, because abantu baberinga ismack ngathi yabo. And indaba babe envious. You know, yabo beringa ismack man. Bazithanda uzenza celebrities ezithanda uthini, and now ngoku sendosa uBhutan ngapha like you know izinto ziyenzeka yabona lawe. So like noba uyasibiza ku show yakho 1 no 2 no 3 no 4 mele ukhavile yabona nawe yabo, like just the basic fundamentals yabo. Bazashaya eze okanye mhlambi ku show ethile babhukishiwe nanti siphukishiwe qha thina siyazi ba idili yami nawe Flash soze sifane
injalo
understand nendlela esinegotiate ngayo soze sifane ne presentation yethu soze sifane. So now where mna xa ndibekwe kula kona yami ndinikwe imfanelo zami ezifanele mna, ndinikwe transport yami, ndinikwe zonke iway, wena uzizele usihlelele pha ukhalazela 1 no 2 no 3 ngenxele treatment, mna angeni ndawo ngiyo promoter. Understand that way. So to answer your question, when my brother, it was unnecessary beefs. Yabona lawe. Ubani akafani nobani, ubani akavani nobani, and then yethina we decided ukuthi hey masizikhuphe kwezwe yabona lawe, because anuzufight ibattle yakho enxa wena ungavani no Flower.
Sure.
So yeah, I think it was unnecessary beefs yabo.
Because ndibuza lo mbuzo Grootman, lo mbuzo lona ubaleke kakhulu because nakule yami generation Grootman yabo isiXhosa asikaqophozi ngendlela kumele siqophoze ngayo yabo, because ngonanibukele kuSpaza mina nanibona ngathi enye yewe bangele mhlambi movement yeSpaza ingapheli fika apho kumele ifike khona way yoba beningekho united ngelo hlobo yabo.
No, that's true.
And nangoku nathi namajita nakuthi lento ichoyo they understand lento ichoyo ba xa mhlambi upha bekubona amajita ngathi uphezulana kunabo bayakhomba ngoba hayi work kona umuntu ucinga ba nguye umele bupha yabo because yena uzibona engcono yabo.
No, I think the way you tell beske sa touch base kuyo earlier on before fike, you know.
Okay.
Undanga umbu uthetha like i-movements zakoma KZN nakoma Pretoria yabo, but you must not take away a KZN. There's a movement that uzakwe abhiziyo like KZN lockdown ciphers.
Yeah.
There's a zinto that they bring artists together. There's battles there at Bet Center. Bet Center, you know, but like every week there's something happening. You have to stand alone. And if you yenzwa ngumuntu ofana noZakwe, you know, it's very iconic as uZakwe. Definitely uzofuna na uba ipart yalo way yabo.
Yeah.
That's why usibona amachita ba winile wena ndiwinners winner sonke. We understand. Iyakulawe yoba benibukele kwezinye zezi podcast yabo.
Yeah, bro.
Kuba lentwana intsha kwepiano. I like to ban soloko the reference ngepiano, you know.
Sure.
Because into abayenzileyo la machita in order to penetrate ayahlangana ayunite. That's why kungome 1 kukho abantu abayi7. We understand. Ithi utlombuzo from this presenter why abantu they always comparing you when a limp
Limek.
crazy, huh?
Yeah.
No Scott Maphuma. Athi umjita but ibruli yami leya senze into eyi1 so bayi2 siyawina. Imali iyapi? Engingoku abanye abantu ke aba short sighted abayiboni ngalendlela ya understand. Babona ba suka Flash ngamgadla anytime uFlash intoni ngoko Flash ucinga bafana bantu and then bangayijongile weba uFlash he has his own unique style you understand la way he's coming from a different background and he's influenced by different things yabona la way but the way totally different from na understand la way so abantu abakwazi ukugauge mfethu success ba intoni na success and success yakwazi uba indirect ingabikho direct you understand la way so thina but ke sickness yethu as abantu abamnyama to be quite honest into esinheritileyo yabo
kodwa ngathi west phakwaXhosa
nana benthi sizoyikhatha kwakhutmana singadolanga kakhulu because besisitouchile ne just to fast track yabo sizoyivala khotman I love the recent work it sounds refreshing and abanye abantu bazothi yo la El Nino Smazi yolo but nandive beautiful because I even told you but hey, this fusion abanye bakathi boom bap but boom bap came back as an alternative R&B where everything is so mellowed well, that's hip hop though but so that song is beautiful
thank you my brother
and this thing is not about Maskab will be part of you also
most definitely
to jump straight to into a copyright but life in Joseph with them does it's about educating but hence we have students also sizoyikhatha msinya buda but there's this thing that is going on now between you and the Grootman I find I love that song Idlozi Da but that song is amazing hence I said even to Rashid bana the song that I considered bana ku South African hip hop they were supposed to be there and then he said no into the age that's why I couldn't get that thing so a good song it's a good song I khathaziseki noba ihype ngobani into yase Joburg it has to be validated or validated by Joburg Cats or your A media so that he can move. I didn't want to say it in front of him, but I always tell him that thing. So even Alamachi does Thetha ngabo now uspana now. Do you have to cover up ubuwena and jump uFlash just because bonbana yo lemtanga ukwi hype whereas ukomkati simazi bana yo this motherfucker is dangerous but just because qwelas what's the qu that's the only thing that's the only thing that's what Rashid said those boys are too nice they're moving nice though so but Grootman diyakulento ye collaboration ke ukuzama Grootman whenever they bespana sizova ke ngokuba kubakho ifeg like untanga no Bravo they had a young collaboration before and then after there was a young Pifanyana and then by Solva lo beef lay but it's the same thing that is happening between the Grootman.
The thing is I think ngibona umuntu ngathi ngosichipa apha nguye bof okay sure the thing is how this collab came about I've done tracks with Ifani before Ayadelela I produced a track Ayadelela I produced a track that's why yangeni igugu lethu yangeni El Nino Mfondini I produced the track when they broke into his studio eKhilani and he was about to release I gave him 3 tracks I gave him Nantsegeni I gave him I'm Trying and I gave him Ayadelela and then he chose Ayadelela
hit
Ayadelela he chose Ayadelela and bandiyamnika mfowethu kawubambe mina nsizuka manje uthenge lapho uyakhona bacima bayakuyisa jenda kaJoburg is out yam moja suka fair ayifana uqala kwakuye Cape Town usuke sithi senze jukebox sessions
okay bro
you know as a manager ngi-TTP so nisuka kude nala out
so
Stripa because I used to do open mics as well sister event Conscious Sundays so hit me up except Tanino Tamzi Mzwaifani wants to do a young collaboration yana I was like sure uphi lowo kakade you know qabele kudala uthetha naye yabona lawe athi sure the next week boom uyafika sure okay meet and greet catch up a bit sure hands ubuye hayi uyabuya zula nazo zonke ezistudio
Sure.
two men two men difonela ama-outi wami uyafrustana la way zonke resources endani nazo around my proximity during that time that's exhauster for that song to happen. Went to Vuyo Manyike, nothing happened there, ngavaya wasibuyela wangifonela wathi uyakhalaza ngamsa kwezinye indwana 12
I heard that song.
yeah 12 decades uyafrustana akhona ivayayo ndamsa kwezinye caps lock kulapho ehlangana nakhona no Vice
Sure.
uyabona la way
Vice Mellow.
and then like nakhona we were just looking for a collaboration, not his song featuring El Nino. It was gonna be Ifani X El Nino.
Oh yeah.
Or vice versa. So nyani ke we did the song. Okay, ngiphume ngaphandle achuzele ngenze enye beat, ngifake hook. Okay. Ngiphume ngimyeke athi hayi kaloku Bri uchuzile nami mfuna uchuza kaloku Bri ngicela ke Bri ngiphume ke ngiqoma nibhorekile nyani boom sure mangibuya ngiyava man lilo okay ngihlala nqoma okay ikhona into engabalansiyo nje
Came up with the hook.
yeah because uthe itrack yakhe
Sure.
and ke a studio uyayazi naye he even if uyakubona ba you on hits you on toes when it comes to ideas he doesn't want to be left behind. He doesn't follow the lead. Even if uyazibona ba uyasilela ndimo oqhwithayo ndimo Usain Bolt we understand so I'm okay you know what he always complain xa se studio mangithini mangimove back you understand la way hayi shaya ingoma dingene so uyayazi damniki rhymes anxoxe leni ngithethayo damnathi jonga pha it is so senibona le line jonge ngokuzayiqala so wena uzawuthi siqale so hayi nyani saflower samshaya iverse yakhe sashaya into lawe mic switch
back to back
sashaya iverse yakhe lashaya yami nxa sayigqiba sayivala sahlala akabi khona bitsitsayo that ikuse what ufuneka imkile that nami ufuneka like attendile yafrustana khona enye session endani yakuyo nyani siphinde sibuye xa sibuyayo did kuye jonga mmeli masinga raping ngokwapha masibenze senze ntoni something like a crossover yanvulela bulela indlela elami idlozi daphumela so that even nomuntu who's not like a hip hop fan you understand la way so ingoma icasting a crossover you understand sayenza ngoma senza sayigqiba but we release and then we did that portrait Africa samenza samgqiba sashiti video sayigqiba ndafuna ukwenza launch ku conscious akafika one sabotage
Paper King is a set.
mamela ndisaza apho yadlala dithi kuye lo muntu exam wethu ndicela into eyi1 ndibabonile abantu bexabana ngento esimple I think the best way to do this let's sign down a contract wabe sithi contract yantoni uyisayinile wena contract no Loli Native dithi andithethi no Loli Native ndithetha nawe masisayine i-contract so that yonke leyo isiyenzayo apha ingazuchaphazela ibrotherhood yethu ubunta kwethu uyavristana nawe sangavuma uyenza
qala mkhulu leyo yenzeka emveni kobe ngafikanga ku conscious uqonda ngona
no ngoku ingoma seyigqityiwe
okay
uyavristana ba ingoma seyigqityiwe ngoku you know we trying to plan out like a PR marketing plan yavristana yabo ba ikse sithini ngoku kwenzeka ntoni sure still kuqhubekeke xa nisithi mhlawumbe ndiyokroba ku Vice because ndidlula pha indlela yami xa ndisiya Marshall Town
sure bro
nansi TV fondini nangu ku interview lo muntu ngedlozi ngoku senizabanja senizokidnap angakhange ndifonele okay akabi Cosmoko yenzeka lo way noba twice undermined mfowethu.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the city. 10 minutes uthi grand. Excel omchiti into wanenza yona mfethu. Nekwadlala kancinci ndakhathwa mfethu. Ngoku ndiyamfonela ndiyayibona mosingoma yenze round. Eksemfowethu hayi man ithini into. Uyafustana just ubuza yabona lawe yabo because I haven't heard from him and la uthi yandiphoxa yandixelela iyavuka yandixelela nge-time zones ase-China hayi ke ngoku ndayitwakela ke ngoku uyafustana yanze ixelela i-Watford ndayixelela nyani i-Watford uyafustana ndayixelela futhi bapho ndidibane khona nzayigqwitha and then ngoku into eyenzekayo nangu yena uyabaleka uya ku social media uthetha ismack ngam uzen addressa kwezi podcast anyana yafristana lawe engathi mina ndiyibharo ndiyimugwa ndiyazi music business wa continueisha ndaphendula kayi1 but abantu jonga siyiphendula le yeke wa continueisha noma okay yazi intoni mina I'm not a TikTok rapper ne mandihambe ndiyokwenza umculweni so ngoku ndirelease la ngoma Friday say I shoot a video Thursday track the record Sunday ya mix Tuesday da shoot a video Thursday njalo ndayirelease Thursday then kulapho ke ngoku so ndilindele bamakaphendule sivuliwe isikolo so kuzawuyoshiya nomama uKondlana nizawutyefileka madoda but ndiyabulela madoda man ngoni invite yabo
mkhulu wami ndifuna nje man phambi koba sigqibe ndifuna ukwazisa uliqala la mkhulu wami
yabo hayi ndabulela mntakwethu
kwaye mkhulu umnqono wamba ekambeni kwexesha mhlawumbe nasivalela noba ngeqhaphukile inyongo 2 ni Drumans Cup ekambeni kwexesha
most definitely i-reunion yona it's eminent yabona lawe into kufuneka yenzekile you know but ke only in God's timing because it's never early it's never late it's always on time.
Amahla ngcongile mkhulu
siyabulela
sure man but abantu they must check out my latest single with umzukhona it's called nje ikhona yafumaneka kuzo zonke i-digital platforms abafuna unilandela ku Facebook ndingu ELNINO ku Instagram ndingu El Nino Cooks which is EL1111 one word ELNINO GUGS ku email address elnino84@gmail awe
sure
ngosiqala lami
thank you
thando lodwa jani
hey